In today's video, I'll teach you how to play Clash Royale on PC and laptop. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in Google Play Store PC, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various results over here. Click on the link provided by Google Play itself. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to download Google Play games. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for download on PC. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, Google Play Games installer will be downloaded. Click on the open icon that you can see on the screen. Now after that, what you have to do is simply wait for a while and Google Play Games will be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, simply open it. Now you can see over here the Google Play Games has been opened. What you have to do is simply log into your account, follow through the prompts in order to log in using your Google account. After you log in, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply search for Clash Royale. For that, click on the search bar and type in Clash Royale. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this game, Clash Royale. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find the information regarding this game. What you have to do is simply click on the install option that you can see on the screen. Follow through the prompts and it will be installed and you'll be able to play it. So that is how you play Clash Royale on PC and laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.